Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. I am Pranab Kishore Prehraj from Pranab Digital Gurukul, and today we are talking about something super exciting and important, artificial intelligence or AI, and how it will shape our future. AI is already changing the world, from how we work to how we live, and the possibilities for the future are truly mind-blowing. But how exactly will AI impact us in the next 5, 10, or 50 years? In today's video, we will explore how AI is expected to change industries, jobs, healthcare, education, and even our daily lives. I will keep things simple so that anyone, even if you are new to AI, can follow along. So, let's get started. Before we discuss how AI will change the future, let's first understand what AI is. In simple terms, AI refers to machines or software that can mimic human intelligence. This includes learning, problem-solving, recognizing patterns, and even decision-making. Most of the AI we use today is called narrow AI, which means it's designed for specific tasks. For example, your voice assistant on your phone, like Siri or Alexa, is a form of AI that helps you with tasks like sending messages or playing music. Self-driving cars are another form of AI that focuses on navigation. In the future, AI will become much more advanced, moving towards what we call general AI, an AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can do. Imagine a world where machines can think, reason, and act just like us. Now let's talk about how AI is already transforming industries and will continue to do so in the future. Manufacturing. AI-powered robots are already helping in factories by assembling products, maintaining machines, and even predicting equipment failures before they happen. This makes manufacturing faster, cheaper, and safer. Healthcare. AI in healthcare is revolutionizing how we diagnose and treat diseases. AI can analyze medical images and data faster and more accurately than humans. For example, AI can help detect early signs of diseases like cancer or diabetes by analyzing scans or medical records. In the future, we may even see AI-powered robots performing surgeries or AI helping doctors create personalized treatment plans for each patient. Finance. In the financial world, AI is helping banks detect fraud, manage investments, and automate customer service. AI algorithms can analyze market trends in real time and provide better financial advice. In the future, we may even rely on AI to manage entire investment portfolios or handle complex financial transactions without human intervention. Retail. AI is changing how we shop. Online stores like Amazon use AI to recommend products based on our preferences. In physical stores, AI is used for inventory management, and in the future, we may see completely automated stores where AI manages everything from stock levels to checkout processes. One of the biggest questions people have about AI is, will it take our jobs? Well, the answer is both yes and no. AI will automate some jobs, especially those that involve repetitive tasks. For example, factory jobs, data entry, and even some customer service roles may be fully automated by AI shortly. But the good news is that AI will also create new jobs, jobs that we can't even imagine today. For example, we will need people to design, program, and maintain AI systems. We'll also need workers to use AI tools in new ways, like analyzing data or managing AI in healthcare or education. AI will change the nature of work, and people will need to learn new skills to adapt to these changes. Jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving will be safe from automation, and AI will likely enhance those roles rather than replace them. Let's dive deeper into one of the most exciting areas where AI will make a huge impact: healthcare. In the future, AI will completely revolutionize how we diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. Imagine going to the doctor, and instead of waiting for test results, AI systems analyze your medical data instantly and provide a diagnosis within minutes. AI could also help doctors create highly personalized treatment plans. By analyzing your genetic data, lifestyle, and medical history, AI could recommend the best possible treatments, tailored just for you. We are also seeing AI in drug development. Today, it can take years to develop a new drug, but with AI, this process could be sped up dramatically. AI can analyze millions of molecules in a fraction of the time, helping scientists discover new drugs faster and more efficiently. In the future, we might even have AI-powered medical devices that monitor our health 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, predicting potential health issues before they become serious. This could lead to longer, healthier lives for everyone. Education is another field where AI is expected to make big changes in the future. AI-powered systems will be able to create personalized learning experiences for students. Imagine a classroom where every student learns at their own pace, with lessons tailored to their strengths and weaknesses. AI could analyze how students learn best and adjust the curriculum in real time. Teachers will also benefit from AI. AI tools can help them manage classrooms, grade assignments, and even provide real-time feedback to students. In the future, we may even see AI tutoring systems that can teach subjects in ways that are more engaging and effective than traditional methods. AI will not only make learning more personalized but also more accessible. Students from all over the world could access high-quality education through AI-powered platforms, no matter where they are. AI is also going to change how we live our everyday lives. In the future, we'll see even more smart homes equipped with AI-powered devices that make our lives easier and more comfortable. For example, imagine a home where your AI assistant manages everything, turning on the lights, adjusting the thermostat, or even making your morning coffee before you wake up. Your AI system could learn your daily habits and routines and optimize your home environment accordingly. AI will also play a big role in transportation. Self-driving cars are already a reality, but in the future, they will be even more advanced. AI-powered vehicles will make our roads safer by reducing accidents caused by human error. They will also make transportation more efficient, reducing traffic and emissions. While AI offers many exciting possibilities, it also comes with challenges, especially when it comes to ethics. One concern is AI bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on, and if the data is biased, the AI will make biased decisions. This could lead to issues like discrimination in hiring or biased algorithms in law enforcement. Another challenge is data privacy. AI systems need a lot of data to function properly, and this raises questions about how our personal information is collected and used. Lastly, as AI becomes more powerful, there are concerns about how it will be controlled. Who gets to decide how AI is used? How do we make sure AI benefits everyone and not just a few companies or governments? These are important questions, and as AI continues to develop, we'll need to address them to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. To wrap things up, artificial intelligence is undoubtedly going to play a major role in shaping our future. It will revolutionize industries, change how we work and live, and open up new possibilities we can only dream of today. But as we look to the future, it's important to remember that AI is a tool. How we use it will determine whether it improves our lives or creates new challenges. That's why it's essential for everyone, not just scientists and engineers, but all of us, to understand AI and how it can be used for the greater good. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. And let me know in the comments, how do you think AI will change your life? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Do not forget to visit our website www.pranabkishore.com. Jai Hind.